Anyone in there? So yeah, I'm finally filming a new video after however many months I filmed my last video. But I've had this idea for the past 3 or 4 days. And I was like, I need to do it. I need to film a video. And hopefully I'll edit it someday. So I tried going to one Target, couldn't find the Rubik's Cube. Then today I tried going to a Dollar Tree, didn't have any. So after work today I walked to a different Target and I found it. I've never solved one before, never even attempted to, because I'm not a nerd. So I'm gonna try. I don't know what I'm doing, don't know how long this will take, but we'll see. Okay, I got a haircut like 2 weeks ago, professionally. I didn't do it, and it just looks weird, so I'm putting a hat on. Okay, well, let's get solving, I guess. Do I have scissors or a gun to open this? Here it is. And I never thought I'd own a Rubik's Cube. So I guess I'll just mix it up and we'll see what happens from there. Okay, this isn't working. There we go. I swear I'm not looking, and even if I was looking, I still wouldn't really be able to cheat because I have no idea how to solve it. I'll do like 5 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Huh. So here it is. I guess I'll get solving. 3, 2, 1, go. I legitimately have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, so what? I'm already so confused. Oh, look at that. Kind of already doing pretty good. Wait a minute, what? I'm trying to... So I need one right there. But there's no other blue here. Except for the top, but... What? So how are y'all doing? I know I've been gone for a long time. I know no one cares also, so I don't know why I'm talking to anyone, but yeah, things are fine. Just ran out of video ideas. And out of all video ideas that I came up with, it had to be this. I don't think I've ever been more confused my entire life. God, why can't these be stickers? So I could just peel them off. So now I guess I'm working on the white side, but like, missing these spots. How do I get these here? Because it's like, oh, this one's in the middle. So I could just do that. But oh, now this part is over there. And it's like, oh, look at that part. Top one. Same as there. But I want that at the bottom. But it might not even belong at the bottom. It might have to be like here. I don't know. You know what? I'm just gonna try and scramble it a bunch and maybe, just maybe, it'll solve by itself. I think I made it worse. I just popped a piece off. Where is it? Oh no. Come on. Got it. They're just sticking out. I can help it. It's 11:41. If I don't get this by 12, I might just give up and try this a different day. I don't want to give up. I really want to do this, even though this means absolutely nothing to me in my life, pretty much. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I'll give it another like 15 minutes. If I don't get it, I'll try again tomorrow. There's a blue spot in this corner, and there's another blue spot in the exact same corner. Like that? No, because then it would be here. I don't know. I swear I'm not high, but I think I am. Like, I just want at least this spot to be filled, but there's no other blue spot here. So what do I do? There's a blue spot right here. There's already one there. How does it go here, here, here? Okay, I'm giving it like 5 more minutes. You have no idea how hot it is in my room right now. I have to turn the fan off so you can hear me. Okay, you know what? I'm done. I have no idea what I'm doing. I don't want to do this for too long today. I'm already stressed out enough. Am I still alive? So yeah, I'll try to do this tomorrow. I don't know. We'll see. Cool. Okay. Hey, I'm back. Day 2. And yes, I'm wearing the same clothes. So, I have no idea what to do. I didn't really do any research, but I don't know. I know I'm not going to get it tonight, so whatever. Okay, I'm going to give myself half an hour again. I'll just add on to my time from yesterday. See how long this takes. 3, 2, 1, bam. Where do I start? I already have no idea what I'm doing. No, I actually wasn't wearing these same clothes all day. I just put back on the same shirt and hat. Now I'm really trying to focus on this green side. It's just that there's a green spot in the same spot. How do I get that change? That didn't help. Really, the only kind of research I did was I looked up a website that showed me the answer, and I got completely lost and just gave up and reset everything. Maybe I should stop focusing on the green side, but I don't know where to focus. Maybe blue? I just did something. Look at that. All white, except these 2 spots. How do I get a spot here and a spot here? There. Hold on. Look at that. Look at that. How do I get that here? So I need it to go here if I want it to go here. I think I just got it. Look at this. Move that up. Move this to the left. Move that down. I just complete one side of a Rubik's Cube. I just need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more sides. Man, I'm so proud of myself. Now I have no idea what to do. Okay, yeah, now it's just all messed up. Like, I really want this to be over with. And I could just like look up a guide while I'm doing this and pretend like, oh, I know what I'm doing. But I can't. I don't know if I've said this, but our house doesn't have internet at the moment. I don't know why, but I have to use my mobile data internet from my place I work at. I can't just like Google on my computer. I'm not two phone baby Keem. I don't have a second phone I can use for Google. I'm done for tonight. I don't care. I don't care. We made a bit of progress. I was able to complete one side, got all white, but yeah, it's all messed up now. Trying to complete the other sides. So, I don't know. We'll see what happens tomorrow. Okay, screw continuity. I don't care. Not the same clothes. I just want to get this over with. I say that I want to get this over with, but I know this is probably going to take another 2 days. I did a little bit more research, but do I remember any of it? Nah. I really do want to be hopeful and whatnot, but I'm not going to do it. Okay. 3, 2, 1, boom. I already don't know what I'm doing. I think I just messed everything up. Making a little bit of progress. Got all that blue, all that yellow, green. But do I have confidence I'm gonna do it? No. I don't legitimately think that there's any point in me still doing this today, because I need to do research, because I have no idea what I'm doing. Do I give up? Yeah. I don't know why, like, first day that I tried doing this, like, I would just do it in like, I don't know, like 50 minutes. I thought it would be that easy, but no. This is difficult for me. I have no idea what I'm doing. So I just was like, I had the idea, like, oh, I want to solve a Rubik's Cube for the first time. That'd be a cool video. That'll film in like 50 minutes to an hour. No, this has been across 3 days so far. It's my little sprayer thing. So yeah, I will try to find some type of research to do. I don't know what I could do for research, but I don't know. Alright, what is this? Day 4? 3? I've literally lost track of time. I'm pretty sure this is day 4. So it's taken me 4 days to beat a Rubik's Cube. What am I doing in my life? But I will beat it today. Most likely not. You can call this a cheat. I understand. I also don't care. But I've written down the first 5 instructions on what to do to solve it. I didn't want to have to write down and look up instructions or whatever, but I know I'm going to be here for like 3 weeks probably. Go down green, green, blue to the left. No. Left. Orange, white, white to the right. Orange, yellow, blue down. Yellow, yellow, red to the right. Green, yellow, blue up twice. And now I have no idea where to go from here. Alrighty, well, yeah, I'm pretty sure I completely messed it up. It was like yellow and green and blue everywhere. Yeah, I'm completely lost on what to do. I think somewhat close. Green and blue, orange and red. This is almost done to yellow. I forgot how long I said I would go for. I think I have like 5 more minutes left. But nah. I'm still gonna go for 5 more minutes. I'm just completely lost. Those directions didn't help. I've just been staring off into nothing for like 30 seconds. I forgot I was doing this. Am I giving up? Might as well. I'm not getting anywhere. I really don't want to just keep on giving up really early every single day and then barely do any research. But I don't know. Like, I legitimately don't want to keep on giving up, but I don't know what else to do today. So just go on to the next day. I think tomorrow I'm gonna give myself either 8 instructions or 10. I'll probably go 8. And I doubt I'll get anywhere farther than I did before. So it's been like however long it's been. But now I want to upload. Or at least I'm going to try. It's been however many months since I filmed the last part. And during that time, I did 0 practice or research or anything to getting better at solving the Rubik's Cube. But you know what I do have? Cheats. Yeah, I want this to like be over with and not have this be like a burden anymore. So I'm just gonna follow guide. Y'all can call me a cheater all you want. Be like, oh, you didn't actually solve it. I don't care. I mean, I still am technically the person solving it, I guess. It's just someone else is telling me what to do. Whatever. Maybe one day I'll do a part 2 where I actually solve it without any guides or whatever. But for now, I'm not going to do that. Alright, here we go. Boom, 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 blow, kablamo, kapow, ka-ching, kazam, cow, flammo, wablamo, kadrambo, kadango, and wazamo. I did it. Kind of. Well, I finally solved the Rubik's Cube. I don't have to worry about this hopefully ever again. And that's the end of the video.